Digital wealth management service Scripbox has launched an additional investment avenue on their platform, US stocks. While Scripbox has already been offering US equity-based mutual funds on its platform, previously the venture claims its new offering will now allow users to invest in stocks of leading global companies listed in the US stock exchange along with index exchange traded funds. The investment solution has been developed in partnership with Stockal, a global investing platform. To know more on this, I'm now joined by Atul Shinghal, founder and CEO of Scripbox. Atul, welcome to the show. With this new offering, Scripbox users will now have the opportunity to invest in US stocks. Take me through the process. How does it work? How have you eased the process of investing in US stocks? And also give us a sense of the regulatory approvals you have undertaken.
So I think first and foremost, thank you for having us on the show. The idea behind the offering is actually, it's like the Dil Mange More. Our customers who trust us with their wealth and look for holistic wealth solutions wanted access to the US market. And as part of our Scripbox philosophy, rather than build everything ourselves, we partner with the best in class. And Stockal in this case had solved the problem of digitizing the entire end-to-end process of KYC, of onboarding the customer, of the LRS, which is the liberalized remittance scheme, and actual transactions. So we just partnered with Stockal to make that facility available to our customers. It now allows our customers to increase their diversification in their portfolios. And again, it's using the power of science, technology, data all pulled together to give better customer outcomes. Obviously, it's completely regulatory compliant at every aspect, whether it's the KYC, whether it's the onboarding, whether it's the transaction, whether it's the brokerage.
Okay.
So the idea is, we've been in the business for a few years, and as our customers have grown, so have our solutions for them.
All right. Okay. Now, over the past year, we've seen, the stock prices of tech companies like Tesla, Apple, Facebook reach record highs. What kind of demand are you seeing? And also, tell us, how is your other vertical, which is the US equity mutual funds, performed during the pandemic?
So actually, we do not look at individual stock performance specifically. We look at our customers' holistic portfolios, and all our customer portfolios have done very well. And we think about portfolio construction on a risk-weighted basis. For example, when we consider our portfolios for our customers, because they're investing for a purpose, they're investing for a goal, they're not investing in individual stocks or mutual funds. We wanted our customers to get international diversification, so we added international funds a few quarters ago. Now that we have the access on digital technologies through Stockal, we've added US equity too. Those funds have performed well. As you can obviously see over the last, I would say, from June 2019 to May 2021, the size of those funds has gone up about 10x at the core level. And similarly for our customers, they've shown deeper interest, they've invested more. Today, as you mentioned, we are in over 2,500 PIN codes, more than 3,750 crores of assets under management, and growing reasonably fast.
Sure. Atul, take me through the pricing of the new offering. What are the charges a retail investor needs to bear in, enrolling for this investment solution?
There are absolutely no charges in terms of there is absolutely no annual maintenance fee. Because we have a very strong philosophy of buy and hold, we do not encourage transactions. Two examples of that: we only have a very small brokerage fee of about 0.5% on transactions, which obviously encourages customers not to do too much transaction, but hold on to portfolios. Because this is part of a larger portfolio, we don't expect people to be transacting too regularly. Secondly, we've also disabled penny stocks, right? So we do not we do not see ourselves as a Robin Hood. We respect people who do that, but our customers who we serve are slightly higher ticket with longer term wealth aspirations. So the customers don't pay any upfront fee or any annual maintenance fee. They do pay a transaction fee of 0.5%, which I think is very comparable in the industry.
Okay.
But it encourages the right behavior for our customers.
All right. Like I mentioned before, Stockal is your partner to develop this investment avenue for your customers. What does it bring to the table? How does this partnership work? And do Stockal users also get access to India's equities and mutual funds?
It's currently Stockal being enabled on our platform. They are more a technology and a gateway provider. The partnership is we look for people who are aligned to us on our ethics and values. We look for partners who have a long-term vision, are well-funded. And Stockal met those requirements. They understood the domain well. They were experts in what they did. They brought the right technology and customer experience solutions, and hence they are with us. So they provide the technology backbone, the gateway, and the interfaces into the other third parties. Our customers get a curated experience which is managed by Scripbox. So for a customer who is a Scripbox customer, they obviously get access to mutual funds, to Indian equity, to international equity, and over time insurance on a single platform.
Okay. You mentioned about business growth, Atul, but quickly if you can tell me what are the top performing verticals for you, and if you could give us a near-term and long-term outlook on your revenue run rate, assets under management and customer base.
So we've grown 3x in the last 15 months, and this is in terms of customer portfolios. We are at about 3750 crores. We will grow another 3x in the next 12 months. We've got the plans in place. An interesting strategy which has emerged is obviously as we've obviously dominated digitization of wealth management, people who are offline want to become partners with Scripbox. So to the point you were making, Stockal is still more technology player. There are lots of offline traditional financial advisors who want to become part of the Scripbox family. That's part of the growth strategy.
Okay.
Yeah, over the next 12 to 36 months, we plan to continue to grow at 100% CAGR for some time to come. There is enough market, there is enough headroom.
Okay, Atul, we wish you the very best in achieving those targets. Many thanks for joining us on Startup Street.
My pleasure, Darlene. Thank you for having us, and thank you, and best luck to all of you also.
On that note, it's time for us to take a short break. Up next, Iron Pillar has raised an investment of $10 million from Alana Group for its Fund 2. We speak to Anand Prasanna of Iron Pillar to know more. Stay tuned.